Okay, this is going to be another in the series of Fix What Bugs You. This is my Husqvarna LGT2654 riding lawnmower. I've had it 13 years now, so I've used it a lot, got a lot of hours on it, but I've done a lot of things to maintain it and keep it in good shape because I want to keep it going for maybe another 10 years if possible. One of the things that's bugging me at the moment that I'm needing to fix, if you can take a look right here, the original seat that came on it, you can see it started to crack last mowing season. So I'm gonna replace this seat, and I've looked a lot. The Husqvarna seat that you can get from the dealer is really expensive, so I found a knockoff that I think is going to be really good. It's this seat right here. So I'm going to work on putting this one on, and we'll see if we can fix that problem. All right, the first thing I've got to do is lift the seat up, and as you can see underneath here, there's only this one bolt that's got to be removed, but there's also a safety switch that's up in here that's got to come off. That safety switch is so that you have to always be sitting in the seat for the engine to stay running. So it's really important to switch it over to the new seat. So I'm going to work on that. The other thing I've got to do is this lever right here has got to come off. That's what makes it so that you can adjust it to different positions for tall or shorter people. So that's going to be a little bit of a challenge because I can't tell how that works. But anyhow, I'm going to go ahead and remove the seat and see what we're getting into. All right, removing the seat was super simple. I just took out that one bolt, as you can see right here, and took it out and then slid the seat all the way forward, and then it just popped right off of the frame down here. So now the adjustment lever, it just pops off really easy, comes out like that. There's a spring in here, take that off, transfer all this to the new seat. And then the safety switch, it's simple too. It just turns and out it comes, just like that. So there's the safety switch. I'll get everything fixed back in and get it all reassembled. All right, I've transferred the safety switch and the adjustment lever from the old seat onto this one. I've got the old seat right here on the ground. You can see where I took everything off. So I'm going to reassemble it now and see how it does. All right, I've got the new seat on. There it is. There's how it looks. So I think it's going to be pretty good. It feels firmer than the old one, and it adjusts pretty easy, so I think it's going to be good. Here's the old one that I took off. You can see how worn it was, but that's after over 600 hours of riding in that seat on this mower over 13 years, so I guess that's not too bad. So anyhow, it's pretty simple, easy fix. So I'll have a new seat for a while. I've got a few other things I want to do to the mower, but for now, I fixed what bugged me.